to turn on and off Discover Google Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Customize New Tab Page. After that, click on Discover Feed. And if you want to turn it on, simply click on the button and make sure the circle is on the right side. If you want to turn off Discover Feed, click on the same button and make sure the circle is on the left side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on and off Google Discover and Chrome Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.